Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. By the way, this is my sister-in-law on camera. She was about to shave her upper lip today and I thought I will shoot a video and show it to you guys how she does it. This is how it looks right now. There's a quite lot of hair which has to be removed. So let's begin. I bought this Tinkle eyebrow razor on Nykaa.com. It is a pack of 3 razors for rupees 150 on discount. So before shaving, start with a clean face. Make sure you wash your face before doing this and towel dry it. Take the razor and start shaving in the downward direction. Be very careful. Do not rush and do this. Don't be in a hurry while doing this. Slow and steady is the trick. Do it in the downward direction and move it to the sides next to the corner of your lips. Do this on the chin area to get a clean finish. Do the same procedure until all of your hair gets removed. This is how the upper lip looks after shaving. It is clean, smooth, and it looks very nice. This is one of the painless way to get rid of your upper hair. After shave, apply a layer of aloe vera gel and leave it on. Now we are done with the procedure. These razors are available on Nykaa.com. It is a set of 3 razors. There is also a safety cover to protect the blade. Even beginners can safely use this razor. The MRP of this product is rupees 200. I got it for 150 rupees on discount. I will leave the link in the description box for you to purchase it. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.